Well, hello there. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Dora and welcome to my channel. Today we are making a jelly pedi. A jelly pedi is just like a regular pedicure, but it has jelly instead of water to soak your feet in. How awesome is that? The only thing you need is water and a thickener, like one of these. Everything else is optional. You can use gelatin, but the water needs to chill a bit before it thickens. I like my pedicure water piping hot, so this was not for me. Sodium alginate turns the water thick, slimy, and algae-like. It's actually really cool, but I found it a bit difficult to work with. Guar gum or xanthan gum thickens the water while it's hot, so this was the winner. You can use either one, they work exactly the same. I added mint essential oils and menthol crystals to make my jelly pedi minty fresh. Here's the recipe I used. I played up the minty fresh theme with color and mica. Doesn't that look so cool? At this point, you can leave it alone as regular pedicure water or add a thickener. Sieve the thickener in so it doesn't clump as bad. I realize here that it's easier to mix it with a hand whisk and in a smaller container. And I'm realizing now that I should have used my blender attachment instead of the whisk. It would have gotten the jelly completely smooth and clump free. I am so mad at myself right now. Soak feet just as you normally would. About 10 minutes in, you can scrub feet. The jelly pedi softens feet just as a regular one would. It just feels squishy, which I actually enjoyed. It's just something different to try. After, my feet felt and smelled minty fresh. Quick tip, your feet will be very slippery. Don't step on a smooth surface, especially a bathtub. Wipe your soles on a rug or towel first. To clean up, add water to the jelly until it's thin. Pour the diluted jelly mixture down the drain under running water. All right, y'all, that's it. I'll see you next week.